National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 432, effective until 3 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, Lake, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Will and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Lake and Porter, and the following: Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lake, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Lake Michigan from North Point Lake to Wind Point, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois; Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois; Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois; Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana; Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana; Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana; Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the nearshore. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Barrington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. A 64 miles per hour wind gust was measured in Wonder Lake with this storm. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village, North Chicago, Mundelein, and Niles. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 59 and 84. Interstate 94 between mile markers 15 and 46. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 3. Interstate 294 between mile markers 15 and 46. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Oakton Community College, Harper College, Lake Forest College, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, Ravinia Music Festival, and Wrigley Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 2:15 a.m. At 11:19 p.m., numerous severe thunderstorms were located over northern Illinois, all moving east-southeast at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Calumet Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Poplar Grove, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana the Hills, McHenry, Woodstock, Hunley, Island Lake, Marengo, Cary, Pingree Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, Fox River Grove, Barrington Hills, Lakewood, Sleepy Hollow, and East Dundee. Including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 56. This includes McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Marine Hills State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm